Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me here. In today's reading, we will continue with the investigative reading that we are doing, checking up on the intention of few people. We have checked up on Ria and one big wig yesterday. This is the continued third series where we are checking up on the intention of another person. I got a strong vibe that they are connected with each other because there was one common card that showed up in both the readings, and this is the crossing the bridge card, which means that they have crossed roads when, as far as Sushant's death is concerned. So they are somewhere linked to this. So we'll do this reading, and thank you so much for watching and liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. And I have received few requests, especially people really want to check up on how Ankita and all the other girls are feeling after the storm. So we'll definitely take up these readings soon. So thank you so much for your request. I would also love to know if you are fine with the length of the video, or if you would want me to cut short the length of the video and make it little shorter with lesser explanation or anything. So if you have any preference, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to have your feedback. Okay, so let's start with this reading. This is a really intriguing and interesting reading with the cards that have showed up. Okay, so I have already done these two investigation readings on Sunday. I couldn't shoot the video because of the noise that time, so I'm reading the readings. I'll take you through the readings right now. Okay, so the question is again the same thing: what I need to know about how this person is connected with anything to do with Sushant's death mystery. Okay, the card that jumped out while shuffling the cards was this. This is Six of Pentacles card. If you see, a very strong card where you see the person who is standing in a very stubborn admin style. And not just that, the body language is not only that stubborn and that of supremacy and reeking of being the powerful and the elite, but the person has also raised his head up in the sky in all the arrogance. And here is one person pleading, begging for mercy to forgive them. But the way the body language is, the energy that is coming out is very strong. Doesn't look like this person is in any mood to forgive this person who is begging for mercy. One person is kneeling down, which means that this person really is very authoritative, is very dictatorial. He likes to control people, and all the people who work with him are at his mercy. They must respect him, her, whatever. And very arrogant body language, kind of I'm the boss. And this is a Six of Pentacle card, which means that somewhere this person feels that you have crossed your line somewhere, and they did so much for you and you didn't repay them, and they will not forgive you, and quite possibly you will have to pay the prices, or they will settle the scores, maybe. But definitely this person is not in the mood to forgive you. They are not even looking at you. So that is a strong message undercurrent of this reading with this person. The intention of this person, let's check this out. This is a Nine of Pentacles card, which is all about lavishness, abundance, luxury, and if you see this card, you feel that this person is this dragon is like feeling very angry, very angry, is again in the same unforgiving mode, is not in the mood to forgive, and is really spewing venom and fire on these people, kids sitting here, and basically a very authoritative and very dictatorial uh, vibes you are getting. It's like, this dragon feels that he is the boss of the area, the boss of the land, and everybody must listen to this person or they are finished. Everybody is at the mercy of this person, and they all are scared and looking up. Looks like a lot of people work for him, and they are all kind of abused or tortured, that kind of a feeling it gives. So it's not only one person who is tortured, one person is definitely Sushant that we are talking about is at the receiving end of this person's ego, but others are also affected by this guy. So this person is like really a tyrant who tortures and blackmails and tries to control people. So there are many people, many small kids are there. So somewhere it's more like abusing. You get that feeling. So anyways, so this is the character of this person that is coming across. Intention of this person with Sushant, what I'm getting is 9 of Pentacles का कार्ड है, एक abundance का कार्ड है जहाँ पे बहुत ही luxury और money already है इस कार्ड में. तो definitely we know कि इन सुशांत के केस में सुशांत ने ये abundance, ये name, fame जो भी उन्होंने लाइफ में अचीव किया था अपने मेहनत से अचीव किया था. He had no godfather as such. तो और यहाँ पे पीछे में एक आग लगा हुआ है. The fields have been set to fire, which gives a kind of an impression कि ये abundance जो सुशांत ने create किया था, this person who is very dominating and this person leaves no opportunity of being a bully, will not forgive Sushant. वो पहले वाले कार्ड में already देख चुका है कि how this person is not in the mood to forgive, and he will set the abundance of this card into fire. He will set the abundance that Sushant has created in his life to fire. Basically, जैसा हमको पता चला था कि all people had ganged up against him to finish him from Bollywood, and that is why they were not. He was thrown away from most of the projects, most of the production house. So basically, it was all about finishing him from this and shooing him away from this place. So that is the intention, loud and clear, to finish off his name, fame, money, position, everything. Rip it off. तो ये इंटेंशन को मैनिफेस्ट कैसे हुआ था? अगर पहले वाला रीडिंग आपको याद है तो एक्स के रीडिंग में भी एक द एक्स पर्सन हैज यूज्ड one lady, Queen of Pentacles, in reverse order with a coin in her hand, which is like she's a very ambitious person. They had chosen a very ambitious person to deploy in Sushant's life to meet their intention, to execute their intention. यहाँ पे भी बिल्कुल सेम कार्ड है. अगर आप देखो तो एक क्वीन ऑफ कप्स है, तो which is basically like Queen of Pentacles playing the role of this lover in disguise to woo Sushant. Okay, and if you see this, our hero, dragon hero जो है बिल्कुल एक this person has been under the spell of this woman. Spell बोलिए या फिर spell तो अभी हमको पता है कि it is a spell, but if you see एक execution वाले कार्ड में यहाँ पे एक lust है, यहाँ पे एक temptation है, and there is a control, a very subtle control where this hero is nicely has given his all to this lady, and she is the person in control, if you see that. तो एक टेम्पटेशन का कार्ड है जहाँ पे एक टेम्पटेशन, एक इल्यूशन क्रिएट करके मे बी द आइडिया वॉज टू एग्जीक्यूट देयर प्लान्स. क्योंकि बोथ द रीडिंग्स में ऐसा ही है, तो ऐसा कहीं फील हो रहा है कि देयर इज अ गैंग अप because the plan is the same. Even in the earlier reading, the execution was through a lady. In this reading also of Y, the execution of the plan is through a lady. So is it that all these people had ganged up and they made one common plan, chose one common ambitious person, and who could play the role of a lover and woo the guy. I'm telling all this reading from the cards, I'm not cooking up things. तो to get their nefarious agenda को एक shape देने के लिए. What was the result of these two things? The result hang up on you. तो result उसके बाद क्या होता है कि जो उन्होंने सोचा था कि they will set सुशांत's abundance, जो भी उन्होंने अचीव किया था उसको फायर पे they will set it. They actually succeed in setting the beautiful place that he had created for himself in the Bollywood. यहाँ पे जंगल है पर वो बॉलीवुड है उनके लिए, तो उसको पूरा उन्होंने आग लगा दिया है. There's a very beautiful card that has showed up, but story is really flowing. तो जैसा उन्होंने सोचा था कि जैसा डेयर किया था कि तुम्हारे आइडेंटिटी को, तुम्हारा जो भी अचीवमेंट है तुम्हारे को they will set it to flame. They actually succeeded in setting it to flame. One person is actually celebrating, if you see. और अगर आपको पहले का रीडिंग याद है जहाँ पे हमने सुशांत को एक लायन से कंपेयर किया था, तो यहाँ पे एक लायन है, आप देखो तो देख रहा है. और लायन जो है ही बिलोंग्स टू द जंगल. ह्यूमंस डोंट बिलोंग टू जंगल. तो इट्स मोर लाइक कि जंगल में जाके आप उसके घर को आप जला दिए हो, एंड नाउ दे आर डांसिंग एंड लाफिंग. एंड ये जो शेर है बहुत ही एक आश्चर्य से उसको देख रहा है. एंड पीछे भी एक आदमी है, तो आगे भी एक आदमी है, पीछे भी लायन के एक आदमी है, और एक लायन यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ भी है. तो एक लायन का एक छोटा लायन जो है यहाँ पे एंड एक दिस मैन के साथ है. वन, तो इज इट दैट कि वन लायन सुशांत के साथ जो फ्रेंड्स थे उनका अपना ही एक आदमी किसी बाहर के आदमी से मिल गया है. आप कार्ड को देखो अच्छे से, आपको पता चलेगा कि दिस लायन इज सरप्राइज्ड कि ये आग कैसे लग गया है. उसका जो एक लायन फ्रेंड है वो आराम से इस आदमी के पास बैठा है, एंड ही इज लुकिंग सम अदर वे एज इफ कि उसको पता है कि आग लग गया है, बट ही इज नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट द फायर. एंड दिस लायन, द बिग लायन, आवर हीरो लायन, इज सरप्राइज्ड कि क्या हो गया. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये उसके अपने लोगों ने ही उसको धोखा दिया है. तो दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट दैट हैपेंड विद सुशांत's डेथ. ओरेकल कार्ड्स देख लेते हैं. सरेंडर टू कंट्रोल, सरेंडर योर डिजायर टू कंट्रोल पीपल, ये कार्ड आया है. तो डेफिनेटली दिस पर्सन इज really loves controlling people. Even if you see in this card, just this person really loves controlling people. Okay, and it feels that if you go against this person takes it very, very personally, and they will not forgive you. The undercurrent of this reading is unforgiveness. They will settle the score, that kind of a thing. And this person doesn't like change, so they like to go with the flow. If you try to change the things, they will take it personally and they will put the blame of that on you. So this person really likes to control people, and they don't like change. Again, a very important card, let it go. Time to let it go. This person should ideally have let things go, but because this person is is a tyrant, he doesn't forgive this person will not let it go. ऐसा कोई बड़ा बात नहीं था जिसको let it go नहीं किया जा सकता था, but because this person is को forgiveness पता नहीं है, he loves controlling people, this person will not let it go and they will settle the scores शायद. Alright, एक पीस dove का कार्ड आया है. Dove is more like a पीस का बर्ड है ये, पीसफुल बर्ड, सेट टू फ्री. तो इज इट लाइक दे सेट सुशांत फ्री? इट्स द सेम लाइक दे मेड देम क्रॉस द ब्रिज आ रहा है. एक फ्री करने का वाइब्स आ रहा है, एक सरेंडर का वाइब्स आ रहा है कि सरेंडर, जस्ट लेट इट, मेड हिम सरेंडर. कोलैबोरेशन का कार्ड आया है, तो डेफिनेटली एक अगेन अ वेरी strengthening of the fact that it was not one people but more than one people ganging up, collaborating to in this whole matter. Overcoming the obstacle. If you see the card, this is one big boulder and a sword is pierced into it. सुशांत के रीडिंग में हमेशा कोई भी डेक यूज करो एक स्वॉर्ड आता ही है. और तो is it that Sushant was becoming one big obstacle in their life? This is not a small stone on their way, one big boulder stopping their way. ऐसा क्या किया था सुशांत ने कि he was becoming such a big problem in their lives and they had to pierce the sword in this obstacle and there was no way out. Remove the overcoming the obstacle. Killing was removing Sushant the only way for left for them to overcome the obstacles from their way. ऐसा क्या किया था सुशांत ने? दो कार्ड आया है जो सुशांत के रीडिंग में एग्जैक्टली दोनों कार्ड्स पहले भी आए हैं. दिस वॉज द टाइम व्हेन सुशांत वॉज लुकिंग बैक एट हिज गुड डेज. तो दिस कार्ड रेजोनेट्स विद दैट टाइम when life was simple for him and life was filled with abundance. This card has a very important message. So I will take you through few other cards oracle tarot का. ज़ीरो आया है और एक 10 आया है. तो this is a fool's journey where you start something new in your life, and this is the 10th where something comes half circle, not full circle but that part of a journey comes half circle. तो एक लग रहा है कि सुशांत started his career from this place and he completed quite a time here. बहुत ही समय पे तक यहाँ पे काम किया था उन्होंने. एंड क्योंकि टैरो में 21 कार्ड्स होता है, 0 to 10 यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक जर्नी कंप्लीट किया था. उसके बाद शायद ही वांटेड टू कंटिन्यू द जर्नी समवेयर एल्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. सो यस, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. दो अदर कार्ड्स जो हैं, एक एस ऑफ सॉर्ड है विच इज़ अबाउट अ न्यू आइडिया एंड दिस पर्सन इज नॉट फॉरगिविंग. तो क्या एक आइडिया का जन्म यहाँ पे हुआ था, इस आदमी से हुआ था, दिस पर्सन से हुआ था. अ न्यू आइडिया इज बॉर्न related with the whole mystery, the whole cover up, the whole botch up, a new idea. And here is the person. If you see, the person is again very regal, royal, and with sitting nicely in their throne, with looking at their empire, and एक बहुत ही loud personality है. loves dressing up and stuffs. और इसके फीट पे एक स्नेक बैठा है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा स्नेक बैठा है. एंड दिस इज़ रियली सरप्राइजिंग क्योंकि मेरे इस रीडिंग में एक बैजर का कार्ड भी आया है. द बैजर इज़ एन एनिमल हु किल्स स्नेक्स. दे आर वेरी गुड एट किलिंग स्नेक्स. ओके, दे आर नोन टू किल स्नेक्स. और यहाँ पे एक स्नेक बैठा है, राइट? तो इज इट दैट दिस पर्सन ऑल्सो लव्स कंट्रोलिंग पीपल? This also person loves no change. So if you change the place from here, will you ruffle feathers with this person? Will you hurt their ego? And is it like they will become a badger and they will hunt you? दो और cards है at the back of the deck. I will take you. They are connecting with the whole story. So all the pressure is being created, illusion is being created in the personal life, rumor is created in the professional life, in the external environment, and the world starts crumbling for our hero. Okay, the world is breaking and he is trying to take the pressure as much as he can, trying to keep the roof intact, but the world is falling apart. And will he be able to take the pressure? The next card, the card that was behind it, shows that no, he won't be able to take the pressure. You see a pool of red blood, a pool which is red with his blood, quite possibly, of course, and a dagger is there indeed, finishing the story, finishing the struggle. Our hero couldn't take in the pressure of the roof, and he looks like he crumbled from the weight of the roof. The whole roof came down on him. So yeah, this is the reading, guys. Do let me know how you feel about the reading. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Till then, take care of yourself and bye.